1 foot, 2 feet. Wee! All done. Ready to go. Wow, the trees are so tall.
They sure are, sweetie. Let's go explore.
Woo, woo. This is going to be the best fort ever, Poppy.
You bet. Help me lift this part.
Okay, I've got the stake.
Perfect teamwork.
Wow, Grandpa, so many pretty birds.
They sure are. Look at them go.
I wish we could fly with them. Peppa is back. Good girl. Here goes.
That's it. Nice and steady.
It's catching. The fire's so pretty, Poppy.
It is, just like you.
I love camping. Wow, so many stars.
It is. See the Milky Way?
It's beautiful. Good night, Poppy. Good night, Peppa.